Alright everybody, you want to try to attempt your own rear brakes. These kind. So here's a few helpful tips you're going to want to start off with right off the bat. Before you take anything apart, make sure you have a complete hardware kit. You want everything. You notice Toyotas have different colored springs for each side. So you want to make sure that you have a correct spring kit. You want all your little doodads and clips, everything. You don't want a spring kit, you want an everything kit. Also, before you take anything apart, pull your box of pads over and go ahead and match them up. Front, rear, primary and secondary from a pros. You know which one's which. What you want to do is you want to match them up since they only fit one side. So literally you hold this up and see that that's clearly, that goes there. That pin matches right here. Oh, I'm sorry, that goes inside of here. Alright, I'll point it over at the jack. This pad goes here, see everything matches. That pin matches that pin, so we'll lay this one out right down here. Okay, we're going to set them out wide. Alright, give yourself plenty of space. And you're going to take your other ones, hold this one up. And it looks like this is the one that goes here, because you got a, this one goes here, because you got a pin here. You got a pin down there. They're pre-installed in the pad, in the shoe for you. And now, you'll have your extra clips, and if you bought a hardware clip like a good boy, you'll have 2 sets of these horseshoe clips, and end up throwing them away, because when you're a noob, these can be daunting. Okay, so now let's take these other ones, because they, through reasoning of deduction, they go to the other side. Now we're going to start off with removing some of these springs. And what you want to do is take these off first. I usually take these off first. And now lay everything here where everything goes in order, how it goes. All the old parts with these old shoes laying here and here inside of the old ones. And then as I put that on, I can match up each spring and voila.